All right, this file is an expansion of the single word QSO vocabulary file that I used in the previous video. This one is 1, 2, and 3 word phrases, so it'll be tougher to copy some of these. Some of the words are longer too, I think. And but I'm pretty familiar with them. I've run this file a couple hundred times probably, so I ought to recognize a bunch of these. I won't get 95% like I did last time, but I'm hoping to get, maybe 60 or something. So let's see what happens.
End fed. Benham. QSO. When. Doing great. Wave. Long. Band. My. HR. QSY. Retired. PSE. CL. Key. High. How. K4. Will. 2.
Well, not bad. There's a few in there that I missed that I should have gotten, and there's a few that I completely, spectacularly busted. I think one of them was was CPY, and I typed in, I didn't get any of the letters right. Sometimes I at least don't get the central letter of the word right or something. So anyway, the work continues. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.